Good day, sir. I am Joseph Michael C. Simpron.
My name is Mark John Mamalin and we are maritime student. Today we will demonstrate how to transmit and receive the International Distress Signal SOS using Morse light based on Colreg Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals.
The distress signal SOS is international recognized and used in emergencies at sea. In Morse code, it is written as 3 short, 3 long, and 3 short flashes.
It looked like this: 3 flashes, dot, dot, dot. 3 long flashes, dash, dash, dash. 3 short flashes again, dot, dot, dot. This sequence signals immediate danger and needs for help.
Rules from Colregs and ICES. According to Colregs Annex 4, the SOS signal using Morse code is an officially recognized distress signal that can be sent using a light, sound, or radio.
The International Code of Signals ICS also recognizes SOS when using light. A short flash lasts about 1 second, a long flash lasts about 3 seconds. Pause 1 second between letters and 5 to 10 seconds before repeating the message.
Now, we will demonstrate how to send and receive an SOS signal using a flashlight. Three short, 3 long, and 3 short.
I receive an SOS someone is in distress and needs help immediately. As a mariner, I must respond quickly and follow emergency procedures.
So in our conclusion, in summary, SOS in Morse code is a vital emergency signal that can be transmitted using light, as recognized by both Colregs and ICS.
Understanding how to use Morse light for distress situation is an important skills for all mariners. Thank you
Thank you for
for
watching our
watching our
demonstration,
demonstration.
sir. That's all.